Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another driving video. Remember to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything, guys. Support the channel, help the channel to grow by subscribing as well. Remember to like, comment, and share. You know, all that will help YouTube to recommend the video to other persons that have never been on the channel. Thanks for all the support so far, guys. Really appreciated. So today we are in Old Harbour town. I'm driving through the town, so just wanted to, you know, share it with you guys as well. You know, I'm always bringing you guys on the journey, so just sharing a quick drive through Old Harbour town. If any of you guys are from Old Harbour, you know, just blow up the comment section, let us know. So just a quick drive through the town. Stay tuned. Leave a comment in terms of the town of Old Harbour. You know, one of the more prominent towns in St. Catherine. Let me know what you think about the progress and development of this town as well. So leave your comments. Let's start a discussion in the comments. A bit of traffic to go through though. It's always, you know, a lot of traffic to pass through Old Harbour. But yeah. Alright guys, so we're passing through the market area, market and shopping area. Wholesales, different restaurants. So again, Old Harbour town. Police there just now checking a taxi driver parking somewhere that he shouldn't be parking. Alright guys, so this is the town square, the town center. We have a National Commercial Bank, Scotia Bank. The police station is to the left, and this is the Old Harbour iconic clock. So this is where we're at today. Just taking a drive through Old Harbour. Again guys, leave your comments, And if you're from Old Harbour, let us know in the comment section as well. So traffic is always backing up. Alright guys, so again showing you around the town area. Old Harbour St. Catherine. Alright guys, so we're now entering the Claremont side. So it was just a quick drive through Old Harbour town just to show you guys around the town center. Now we're on Claremont. So as usual guys, leave your comments. I know there are persons that always comment. I really appreciate that. Remember to share the video so someone else can see. You know, that's gonna help the channel to grow. And remember to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. So thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for all the support. And I'll see you on another driving video.